What the heck? My eyebrows. I don't know. Can you tell? They're just not even hardly there. Ever since I turned 65, I don't even hardly see my eyebrows anymore. Oh well. Oh no. And look at this. One more thing I need to try to take care of. These lipstick smears on my wine glass. Well, I tell you what, I've got a couple of ideas. Come on, let me show you. Well, isn't that just the way it is? You turn 65 and your eyebrows, this has been happening probably for a decade from my 50s, but my eyebrows have just disappeared and disappeared to where they're just really hardly there. I have a few wild dark ones up front, and you can see here this is the natural color of my hair from like when I was in my 20s. I am 65 and I want to be a part of that life where I want to keep it simple, short and sweet, right? I want to do things day to day, fast, quick, out the door. I want to wake up in the morning with eyebrows. I don't want to necessarily wake up in the morning and my whole face is blank, because can't you ladies agree that are silver gray like me, that's the hardest part, right? For doing this, to making the transition, is how you look with no makeup, with nothing on your eyes or face, and no eyebrows, no hardly any eyelashes. You just feel washed out. And I don't like waking up to that Mel B. I like waking up to I like being the Mel B that has some color and energy and life to my face. I'm gonna try now this tattoo, this Maybelline Tattoo Brow. We're gonna try it. So this could be, it could be great or it could be a fail. I don't know, but we're gonna give it a go. So let's see here. It has like a little brush, and the consistency looks pretty good. It's not too thin, not too thick. So I'm going to first brush my eyebrows, and then I'm just going to paint it on where I can see I have hair. And there's some that I can't really see, so I'm going to go ahead and put it even in those places, because some of my hairs, ladies, they're so white that they've just about disappeared. But it looks like they've totally disappeared. So I'm still going to go up in the direction I like to wear my brows. I like an arch right up there, the tail coming down this direction. So this says it's supposed to last up to 3 days wear. And that's good with me, because otherwise, not every day, you've seen many of my videos, I always need to put on brows. So I might have gotten too dark of a color, but we're going to see. There is definitely a huge contrast, and I do like to have contrast. I don't mind having darker eyebrows with my white hair. I just really don't. There's something that I'm a contrast kind of girl. Like, I like to wear black and white, black and pink, black and turquoise, black and orange. Yeah, so I'm a kind of high contrast with my black and my color. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about this, but I'm going to put another layer on. And of course, I'm wondering how it's going to peel off, right? I'm going to try to push it in now, because it's been kind of like just laying on top. And I really want to try to push it down, because there's probably little bitty white translucent hairs closer to the skin, and let it dry. It says to let it dry for about 20 minutes, and there's really not any way going back. I am going to do this one, but I'm going to let it dry first so we can kind of see a comparison. So while we're kind of waiting for that, I also want to show you, oh, and by the way, I did a video this last week, and I will put a link to it at the end of this video, and it was one where I did this makeup look, not this, but the rest of my makeup look, because I'm trying to show you things that this year that are simple and short, the KISS method. Keep it simple and short. And I want to do that by quick makeup, like 5-minute makeup, 5 products. That's what the video is about. I also want to show you products that are hybrid, that are multiple use products. Makes a lot of sense for our purchase, for our pocketbook, for the environment. We're going to see some cosmetic companies coming out with clean product that's biodegradable, and we're not filling the landfills full of all this beautiful plastic containers that us makeup enthusiasts love to wear. So the other thing I wanted to show, as you were able to see in my intro, are wine glasses always ending up, if you wear lipstick, just with the big old lipstick smudge on there. Living here, I find that sometimes in the Netherlands that the wind blows a lot. Maybe yours somewhere too. Dallas is windy, Chicago's the windy city, but you know, your hair just goes blowing, and and you're white like me, and maybe you're wearing beautiful red or fuchsia pink, and the wind blows and it catches in your hair, and you end up walking around with red lipstick all in your hair. It's kind of hard to get out of this white hair. Very frustrating. And so what I wanted to try today, since we are talking about wine, are the cutest little lipsticks that look like a wine bottle. It's not a lipstick, I'm sorry. The cutest little wine stains that is actually waterproof. This is a lip gloss waterproof a stain. And so I'm going to show you how these are so cute and actually really help with not transferring to your hair, to your wine glass. Whoops, ding-a-ling. So let me just go ahead and do that while our eyebrow up here is drying. I hope it turns out good. I'm going to be covering it with concealer, and you won't ever probably then see this video unless my review is going to be no way Jose. So this is a wine lip tint. This one's called Dare to Dream, Dare to Pursue. Lip gloss in blush pink. I'm wearing pink today. And it's a real thin formula. It's got a nice applicator. And it actually comes in different, I ordered it on Amazon. I got a package of 6 of these for 12 euros. Here, 12 euros, around $13. Let's go ahead and try this lip stain on, and it feels good. Kind of tickles, this kind of brush kind of tickles my lip when I put it on. So this is waterproof, and it's going to allow you to go have coffee or tea with friends, have wine, a nice date with your significant or husband, and kiss your husband and not transfer lipstick all over his face. I like it. You know how some stains I've used in the past, like burn. There's so much alcohol in it, literally burns your lips. So we're going to let this dry for a second. I'm going to help it along. That eyebrow like that, I feel like I'm in a comic book. Let's try the wine glass test. And voila. I see the tiniest, kind of like the gloss from it. This is lovely. It's light, it's sheer, it's going to be with you. I'm not going to have to worry about it sticking. It doesn't stick to my lips. It feels really dry. You know, I mean, it can't smudge or anything. I'm just really hoping this doesn't pull out my eyebrows. So let's see if we can lift it up. Okay. Oh no, it lifts up nice and easy. Okay, I like it. This is supposed to last for 3 days. Look, I have a towel. I'm not unhappy with that color of dark brown because I usually put in a dark brown. I can always lighten these up because I'll go back over and probably put a little bit of brow gel on them, and I like to powder over them. Well, now I just need to do the other eyebrow. I think I'll do that and finish my glass of wine. I started here early. Remember, don't let age define you. It's just a number. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you here next time. Doing my darlings. Bye.